Hi friends, happy Saturday. Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you're new here, I hope you will subscribe. And if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. I hope you like what you will see here today and give me a thumbs up. Today is my 36th episode for 2023 of Saturday Morning Makes, hosted by Jill Norwood here on YouTube. Saturday Morning Makes, you can also find that on Facebook. There's a group there, Saturday Morning Makes and Today's too, and also over on Instagram and maybe in other places too, I'm not sure. So anyway, I will put all the information in the description box below, so be sure to check that out and search the hashtag and see what everybody else is creating, and hopefully you can join us. I will show you real quick. I've got two projects here to show you. I'm going to show you what I used for the first one. Just quickly, I used this die set that I believe I got on Amazon, and it's a Memory Ducks card die set. So I think if you searched maybe Memory Ducks Snowflake, it comes with all these snowflakes. You might be able to find it that way. I also used from Lily of the Valley, also known as LOTV Shop, this stamp set. I love how they come in this package. Let me pull it out. These are bigger stamps than what they look like on the cover. So they're just these sweet recipe tags, plus there's some little ones there, and I did use a little one and one of the big ones. And let me get this in here. I'll flip it back over and hold it up here. There is the website. You can find them on Etsy also. Okay, and then I used some patterned paper. This was from Fun Stamper's Journey, and I really love this design here, but really nice papers for fall and Halloween. And anyway, I used that one. Fun Stamper's Journey is no more, so you would have to go looking for that elsewhere. Anyway, this is the Memory Ducks card that I made. I did, it was for the swap for this month that I take part in. So I did the cute little recipe tag there and colored it up a little bit with colored pencils. There's the other little one. I didn't want to completely cover that background paper because I thought it was so cute. So I stamped that out and heat embossed it on vellum. And then a little flower from my stash. So that was my Memory Ducks card. Thought it turned out kind of cute. Okay, and then my next, I made a card. Let me show you the goodies I used for that. I used a bunch of My Creative Time products. So I used the Ginger Boy and Girl Costumes #2. This makes a mummy, a skeleton, a pirate. I think that's about it. I used this big jack-o'-lantern tag die. It's so adorable. I'll hold that up again so you can see it. I used the Ginger Boy and Girl dies. That's what these little costumes fit. So you get two little gingers there, and their frosting and some other little things. I used this paper pad also from My Creative Time. This is the Ginger Halloween paper pad. I used this PSX stamp from 1995. I did find this at a Goodwill store, so I was really excited when I found it. And it was in really great shape. And then I used some of these little stars from Stampin' Up. And here is my card. So I made my little ginger mummy, and I had him coming out the top of the jack-o'-lantern. It has a slit in there that it cuts out with the die, so you can tuck lots of little things coming out of the pumpkin if you want to. I used 2 of the background papers there to create my background. I didn't want just all one kind, so I cut 2 pieces. I thought it turned out pretty cute. I also used paper from the paper pad to cut the pumpkin. And then inside, I put a strip of that paper there and stamped the greeting. So those are my 2 little projects for this Saturday. And I hope you like them. Be sure to go check out what everybody else is creating, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.